Hi, my name is Bik-ki Wong and I'm the head of the Wills, Trusts and Probate team at Myerson. I specialise in estates and succession planning. One of the questions we are often asked is whether instructions and preferences should be included in LPAs. Firstly, there are two types of LPAs. One deals with property and financial affairs and the other one deals with health and welfare. You can choose different attorneys to act on each document depending upon their skill set. Instructions are legally binding. The more you put in, the less your attorneys can do. If the instruction is unworkable, the court will strike it out anyway. Some examples of instructions in property and financial affairs documents include: my attorneys must consult a financial advisor before making investments over £10,000. My attorneys must not sell my home unless my doctor thinks I can no longer live on my own. My attorneys must not make any gifts. Some examples of instructions for health and welfare documents include: my attorneys must not move me into a care home unless my doctor thinks I'm no longer able to live on my own. My attorneys must not consent to any medical treatment involving blood products, as this is against my religion. And my attorneys must ensure I'm given only vegetarian food. Preferences are merely that, your wishes. They're not legally binding, but create a moral obligation on your attorneys to follow your wishes, as they can be stated clearly on a legal document for third parties to see. Some examples of preferences in property and financial affairs document include: I would like all my attorneys involved in decision-making on the sale of my property. I would like to maintain a minimum balance of £10,000 in my current account. Some examples of instructions for health and welfare documents include: I prefer to live within 5 miles of my brother or sister. I'd like my pets to live with me for as long as possible, and if I go into a care home, I'd like to take them with me. If you know and trust your attorneys, you should reduce the number of instructions on their powers so they can have more flexibility to assist you. If you have strong ideas, you can either put these in the preference section, communicate them to your attorney before you lose mental capacity, or put a more detailed letter of wishes by way of guidance together. If you need help with setting up your LPAs, please contact us on 0161 941 4000 or email us at lawyers@myerson.co.uk for specialist advice. Thank you.